guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a soft, simple smoky eye, perfect for springtime. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. To start off, I'm using this Lancome primer. It's called the Pro Hydro Glow, and it's perfect if you want 24-hour hydration and a dewy glow. To blend it all out, I used an e.l.f. stippling brush. Next, I used the L'Oreal Lumi Drops, and I blended it out with the same brush just to give my skin that extra glow. For foundation, I used Maybelline Superstay in the color 312, and I blended it out with my beauty blender. For concealer, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the number 10 because I really like how it works with the foundation. And then of course you're just going to blend out your concealer with the beauty blender as well. Then just set the concealer with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. For this look, I did my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. Next, to bronze my face up a little bit, I used Tawny by Anastasia. Using the same color, I also just contoured my nose a little bit. For highlight, I used Mean Money by Fenty Beauty, and I just put that on my cheekbones, on my nose, and on my Cupid's bow. So this eye look is really easy. All I used was the NARS eyeshadow duo in Surabaya, and it just has two colors. So I used the color on the left in my crease, and I just blended that out with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm taking the color on the right and packing that onto my lid with a flat brush. For my lower lash line, I used the same color on the right, and I just buffed that out with the same flat brush. In my waterline, I used Smog by Urban Decay, and then I took the black color also from Urban Decay, and I lined the top of my eyes. To smoke out that eyeliner, I used Carbon by MAC on a pencil brush, and I just went over the pencil liner. finish off the eye look, I added fake eyelashes and used Benefit's They're Real mascara. To finish this look off, I wanted something bright and bold, so I used Playa Dorado by NARS, and it's an orange lip pencil. And the lipstick I used is by NYX in the liquid suede, and it's called Orange County. So that completes the finished look after I pick out my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!